Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, as you know, Samsung has made a huge change in Bixby in One UI 8.5. They have completely redesigned the UI. They have also integrated with Perplexity AI, and also you can do live chat, and also you can ask any questions. They will answer you just like the Chat GPT or Google Gemini. And guys, here's a big news. Now you can install this new Bixby in any Samsung phones. Currently, you can see I have a Samsung Galaxy S23 FE running on One UI 8, and I have already installed the new Bixby. Let me open and let me show you what's new in this Bixby. Then I will obviously tell you how you can install it. Okay, so this is the new Bixby. As you can see, this is just like a Chat GPT or Google Gemini. You can ask any question and they can do any task for you. Also here you will see some Chinese prompt. I don't know why. I think this is a Chinese version, that's why maybe. Okay, so if I slide till the end, here you will find an option. I don't know what it's written in Chinese, but if you tap over here, it will directly connect to internet and you will do live chat with it just like a Gemini. Hey, how are you?
I'm doing great, thanks.
What you can do,
I can help with English practice, answer questions, set reminders, check the weather, and more. Just tell me what you need.
if I ask you anything, you will answer me, right? You will give me the answer.
I'll do my best to help. Whether it's English practice, questions, reminders, or info, just ask, and I'll respond. What's on your mind?
As you can see, we can do live chat with this, and here you will see few more buttons. This is, you can mute yourself, and also here will be an option. If you tap over here, you can share your phone screen, okay, to Bixby, and Bixby will help you with it. You can ask me, Bixby, like, what is this in my screen? Then Bixby will obviously help you with it, just like I think Google Gemini. Okay, and here you will see an option called video, or I guess if you tap over here, the camera will open. Okay, just wait. Okay, the camera will be open, and you can obviously ask like, what is this and that. And obviously if I tell him to take a picture also, I think it will take a picture. Okay, if I unmute myself, take a picture of this. It's thinking. As you can see, it took a screenshot, and also I think we can ask information about the product. For example, if I, hey, what is this?
让我瞅瞅这是啥?
Lol. Okay, it's answering me in Chinese. I don't know how to set the language to English. There is no option, but you got, these are some features you will be getting on new Bixby. And also over here, you can ask any question, or you can tell them to do any task. For example, here you can see there is already a prompt. If I tap over here, turn on the flashlight, I think it will turn on the flashlight. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, and also if you tell him to turn off it, it will turn off, and obviously it can do some other task also. Okay, let me ask some other thing. What's the weather? What's the weather in Haridwar? Let me ask it. Okay, will it give the actual latest answer or not? As you can see, it's giving me the latest answer. The weather currently today, it's like 22 something. And if I ask some other question, like, okay, I'm asking when is Mahatma Gandhi birthday, let me see it will give the correct answer or not. So yeah, you can see it's clearly giving me the answer, giving us the answer. So that's mean we are connected to internet, and it's giving me all the answers through internet. So I think this is a huge upgrade for Bixby. So Bixby is now just like Chat GPT or Google Gemini. So we are getting all this free. So I think this is a huge update. And guys, if you are thinking how you can install it, the link will be in the description. Here are 3 APK. I download and install this 1 and 2, this second and third one, and this guy. Okay, this is the guy Galaxy Techie who gave the APK. So credit goes to him. So I install it. So this is how you can install. Just download it and install it, and you will get this latest Bixby. Okay, so if you have any questions, just comment below, and also you can wait for the global version because still you will find this Chinese text, etc, etc. So I think some people won't like it. So I think you can wait for the global version, or if you want to test right now, you can install it. Link will be in the description. All right, so guys, thank you very much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just comment below. Bye, take care.